what's going on? How you doing? It's your girl Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all. Yes, with another video. 3 videos in one day, y'all. But working 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, in school at least a little time. So I gotta do what I can do. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. Don't worry, that's for how coming though. But look, y'all, I gotta share this stuff with y'all from Honeylove. I ordered, this is the package I ordered from them in November. Yeah, I never wore it yet. Because I ain't never, you know, back then, October, November, I was doing a lot of contracts. And I had saw somebody do a video and I wanted to try it. So I ordered this. And then Honeylove was kind enough to send over this package of new stuff and new different items that they have for me to share with you guys. So first, I'll let y'all see what I got. And I'll probably try this stuff on and yeah, I guess I'll show all my pet like that. Ooh. But these were the 2 items. This little bag to wash your garments in from here. I don't know if y'all know, but Honeylove is a Shape-Ware system. If y'all heard of them. Because I was just watching YouTube like one night. And I saw somebody like, oh, let me get that. Because this pandemic got me kind of getting around. Let me get a couple of them. And I just ordered. So, now I did open them. But, you know, that's all I did. This first set, oh, okay. This looks like it's just a hipster. That's how it looks. It's supposed to suck all that in and bring you in tighter. I hope I can still fit. What size did I get? This says the Super Power Brief. Honeylove Sculptwear. That's what it says. Let me see what size I got. This is an extra large. Okay. This is real smooth. We'll see. I will try this on, y'all, and just stick a little video clip in, okay? Let's see. I like the way the material feels. That's an extra large. And this next piece I ordered here is... And I just was working too much. I never did get to try this stuff. But now I done got so fat, I hope I can still get in the ones I ordered. This says the Super Sculptwear Short. And it's in an extra large. Okay. Supposed to suck you right on in and make everything up under there just fit right. Because I done got so big and round. And it's got that X, you know, across the front to kind of help smooth you out. I'm going to try these on. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to try to put them in the order that I'm opening so you guys can see. Now in this box, I don't know. Let us sweeten the gift. Give your friends $20 off and get $20 off. Oh, they got a nice coupon. Get started here at Hello. It says honeylove.com gift 20. Not 100% in love, no worries. You can return it. Okay, you can return it if you don't like it when you order. I didn't know that, but I don't want to return it. I ain't even tried them. Welcome to Honeylove, family. They're just showing all the items that they do carry and have. Because they didn't have, I don't remember seeing those bras. We're going to have to try these on. Oh, and I got another bag. And let's see. The first thing sitting up here on top. You are your own masterpiece. What you said. And this gonna help me get there. It says a liftwear cami. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. And it's got that same crisscross technology across the front. It's just suck everything in. Maybe I'll try this on and put a dress on top of it. We will see. This cami is the business. It's the business. I'm a 38 double D and it fits just perfect. Perfect. And this, on top of this, girl, I got to go slide on my little dress. Ignore the deodorant. It's getting on everything. But yes, look how smooth. Now this is body armor. That's deodorant, okay? This is body armor. I haven't worn this dress in at least 3 years. Too juicy for it. Oh, and I got a little swing going on. Y'all see that little walk? Woo! No, I ain't even sucking it. If I suck it in, would that help too? I can't see it. I'll see it when I edit this video. I'm sorry, it's all over the place, y'all. I just don't have lighting all over my house. So, this is the best I could do. I'm tired. That just tell me how much weight I need to lose. But yeah, this cami by itself, it's wonderful. Even under a nice shirt that you wanted to wear. And you don't have to put a bra on in addition. This thing is, I didn't think it would fit. But it fit just perfect. And it make everything on top squeeze in and fit a little tighter. We gonna try these on, I ain't Shane. Y'all close your eyes so you don't get blinded, you know, if it's too much for you. That's really nice, and the material is so soft. And it's got a little, I think I just saw I did, a little Honeylove tag at the end. Okay. The next thing here we have is a queen brief. It's an extra large. Well, I got enough drawers here to fake fine when the summer starts. Okay. Oh, this is what these look like. And they got a little, I can feel a little rib running here like it's something plastic to keep you in line and flattened out and lined right. That's what they look like. Queen brief. Seem to be containing my fat pretty well. And they got a thick band, so you don't have to worry about them rolling up. Yes, I'm round. And these are the queen briefs. Right. That's the queen brief. And then move this to the side. We got 2 more items to go, y'all. This says this is the, oh, I think she made a mistake and put 2 queen briefs, because this says queen brief 2. Huh. And it's in extra large. What is the difference? Oh, no, one look longer than the other one? Or am I tripping? No, I think they're the same. Let me read the ticket, y'all. The queen brief. $1X. Oh, okay. I see one is in a 1X and one is in an extra large. Well, thank you. I love this company. Oh, this is so sweet. One is an extra large and one, this is the extra large and this is a 1X. I guess she said in case the extra large is too small, I have the 1X to try. And the last thing I have here, what is this? Something is in here, guys. Oh, okay. The little straps, you know, to go over your bra to keep, you know how they'll constantly be sliding down? You can put the little straps on it to keep them up and in place, and you're not study trying to pull them up. If you ever wore what I call body armor, some of them either keep rolling down, you have to keep pulling them up. We're going to see, y'all. I'm going to be too legit to quit. And the last one we have here is a capri. And it's in 1X. Oh. Wow. Talking about making my, girl, making my jeans look good. Look at this. Okay, this is how it looks. Your jeans or some capris look good all the way down to the bottom. Look at here. This material though is stretchy. Yeah, we're gonna have to get into this. Guys, these are the capris. They got a little peephole. So if you got to pee, you can just go squat. Okay, I'm just running out. Okay. These are the capris. Tighten up them jeans. And I love how high. Look how high it comes up. To right up under. Yes. And again, I could have got these in a medium. I think I'm just tired because I'm lazy. Because the material of this helps me glide up your skin real easy. Yeah, see, and it come all the way up so you don't have any, if you put it on right, you won't have any extra fat hanging and dangling. Yeah, it's time to get to the gym, but until Honeylove gonna help me show myself some love. So good under some jeans. The material is just so, I don't know, it's so smooth, so it just slides on your body. So I'm pretty sure whatever you putting on will slide right on top of it. So, okay, y'all, this is how Honeylove rocking with us, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm finna go lay down because I'm out of breath. Bye, guys.